Palakkad Fort. Palakkad Fort, Palakkad district, Kerala. The region of Palakkad is having hoary past in terms of historical, archaeological, and cultural importance. A large number of prehistoric tools of different kinds, burial monuments of various types dated to Megalithic period, various medieval monuments of architectural importance wise, temples, vernacular residential structures, palaces, forts, etc., are testimonies of cultural backdrop of this region. Palakkad Fort was built by Hyder Ali with the help of Palakkad chieftains, who are known as Palakkad Achans. Neduvattam, one of the early territories of Palakkad Achans, was under threat from Zamorin of Calicut, which prompted Achans to seek assistance from Mysore kingdom. Mysore king extended their help through Hyder Ali, which was foiled by offering a bounty by the Zamorin to Hyder Ali. Later on, when Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan became successful in building the fort in association with Palakkad Chance, when the former claimed independence from Mysore kingdom and was controlling by Dindigul and Srirangapatnam. The fort at Palakkad is located in a strategic place of Palakkad Gap of Western Ghat, the largest pass connecting Kerala and Tamil Nadu in the eastern border of the state. The construction of fort commenced in 1761 at the insistence of Hyder Ali, then governor of Dindigul, and is said to be refurbished by Hyder Ali in 1766 with a view of facilitate communication between Karnataka and the west coast. Hyder Ali, with the help of French advisors, vastly improved the fortification considering the strategic position of the fort. It was temporarily occupied by the Zamorin's troops and finally in 1790 it was recaptured by the British Colonel Stuart. The British had earlier organized attack against Tipu Sultan from the side of Palakkad. After the British took over the fort, it was made into Tehsildar's Kachahari and the fort also housed other British government offices. It was then turned into a jail in 1877. The fort is square in plan and moat all around, and it occupies 15 acres of land. It has thick walls and strong bastions built of long blocks of granite. This was an inland fortress situated to withstand the artillery bombardment. The fort has strong bastions at all corners and at the middle. From eastern wall, a hornwork with two bastions projects out. On the northern wall of the hornwork is the main gateway to the fort. The main zigzag entry, L-shaped screen wall with a bridge. Earlier, it was a drawbridge from the northeastern side indicates the strategic plan in the construction of the fort. The screen wall is featuring parapet with embrasures. Above the main gate, there are certain stucco decorations. The decoration of the gate facade is basically imbibed with the design of Deccan style of architecture. Within the main gateway, either side of passage are pillared guard room with a narrow passage from the main doorway into the fort. The screen wall and walls flanking passages are provided with loopholes for artillery fire. The fort wall is predominantly built of dressed granite blocks in lower half and bricks in the upper sections. A berm narrow barrage runs around between the rampart wall and the moat. The rampart wall of the fort interconnects each of the bastions and runs all through the perimeter of the fort. The wall walk is roughly broad and battlement made of brick. The battlements of bastions are provided with embrasures. The sentry boxes built into side walls of some bastions are interesting feature of the fort. Inside the fort, there are stabbed tank, pillared mandapa, and vernacular structure of British period. The fort was declared as a centrally protected monument of national importance under Archaeological Survey of India in 1921.